What if I told you there's a type of YouTube channel making over 2 billion views, and nobody is talking about how to copy it? There is a channel on YouTube right now. No face, no voice, no fancy equipment, just simple AI-generated kindness stories. 1.93 million subscribers, over 2.5 billion total views. One video, 100 million views. Another, 79 million. Another, 62 million. Every single one made with free AI tools that anyone can use right now, including you. Now, I already know what you're thinking. That channel probably started years ago, got lucky, or has a big team behind it. That's what I thought too, but when I actually studied how these videos are made, I realized something. There is no secret, no team, no expensive software, just a simple, repeatable process. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. It doesn't matter if you've never made a video in your life or have 0 subscribers. If you can follow the steps, you can do this. I broke down their entire channel, reverse engineered their best videos, figured out what the algorithm rewards, and identified the exact pattern every viral video follows. Same structure, same tools, same emotion. And I'm handing you the whole thing right now. Here's what we're covering. First, the exact free AI tool that writes your story for you. No writing experience needed. Second, how to turn that story into a complete video automatically with visuals, narration, and music. Third, how to format and upload it so the algorithm actually pushes it. 3 steps. By the end of this video, you'll have your first AI story video ready to upload. Let's get into it. To make one of these videos, you only need a single prompt, and I've already built it for you. The link is in the description below. Copy the full prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it into the chat box, and hit generate. ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 story ideas. Read through them. Pick the one that feels strongest to you, and from that one idea, the prompt will automatically generate everything you need. The full story, the image descriptions, and the video narration, all from a single click. Pick your idea and let's move to the next step. Select whichever topic you want. I'll go with the first one. Copy it and paste it into the prompt box below, then hit generate. ChatGPT will now give you 3 things in order. First, character prompts. These describe the people in your story. Then 10 image prompts, 1 for each scene. And finally, 10 video prompts. These will be used later to animate each image into a clip. Don't skip ahead. Our first job is to take those character prompts and generate the actual images using a free AI tool. Let's do that now. Now we're generating the character images. Copy your first character prompt from ChatGPT. The link to the tool is in the description. Open Pippit AI. You'll see 2 options at the top, image and video. Click image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, paste your character prompt into the box and hit generate. Wait a few seconds, your first character image will appear. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second character prompt, return to Pippit AI, paste it in, and generate again. Repeat this for all your characters. I have 3 in my video, so I generate 3 images total. Once all your character images are ready, click the first one, go to the download option on the right, set the format to PNG, and make sure the watermark is set to without watermark. Download all 3 characters the same way. Now we're going to use these characters to build the actual scene images for our video. For higher quality scene images, we're going to use Flow AI. It's free, and the output is significantly better. The link is in the description. Open Flow AI and click New Project. When the interface loads, hit the Settings button at the bottom. Set the output type to image, not video. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and set the number of images to 1. Then select your model. Now click the plus icon next to the prompt box and select Upload Image. Upload all 3 character images you just downloaded. Once they're uploaded, give it a moment to process. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Return to Flow AI, make sure your 3 character images are still uploaded, paste the prompt in, and hit generate. Your first scene image is ready. For every image after that, the process is the same. Re-upload your 3 characters, copy the next image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and generate. Repeat this for all 10 prompts until you have all 10 scene images. If any image doesn't look right, just hit regenerate. Don't move on with a bad image. I'll go ahead and generate all 10 now. Once all 10 images are generated, download them one by one and save them to your device. I'll do that now. With all images downloaded, the next step is converting them into video clips using a free tool. Let's get into it. Now we're converting our images into video clips. We're going to use 2 free tools for this. I'll show you both. For the first tool, the link is on your screen. On the next page, click New Project, select Portrait, then choose VEO3. Click Create from Scratch, then hit Animate an Image. Click Add Image and upload your first scene image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first video prompt. Return to the site, paste it into the prompt box, and hit Generate. Once the video is ready, click on it and drag it onto the timeline. Repeat this for each image. This tool gives you up to 15 videos per month, which is enough to finish one video. However, the quality is limited, so for higher quality clips, we're going to use Flow AI again. It gives you 5 high-quality videos per day for free, and I'll show you exactly how to use it for that right now. Go back to Flow AI and click New Project. Hit the Settings button, set the output type to video, and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Set the number of videos to 1. For the model, select VEO 3.1 Lite. This model costs 10 credits per video, and Flow AI gives you 50 free credits daily. That means 5 high-quality videos per day, completely free. Now click the plus icon, then Upload Image, and upload the first scene image you generated. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt that matches that image. Make sure the prompt matches the image number. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt in, and hit Generate. Your image will start converting into a video clip. Give it a moment. To generate the next clip, click the plus icon again, upload the next scene image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. Repeat this for all 10 images. If you run out of credits after 5 videos, simply create a new Gmail account and sign up again. You'll get another 50 free credits instantly. I'll go ahead and convert all my images now. All 10 clips are generated. Now download them one by one. Click the 3 dots on each video and select Download Original Quality. I'll download all mine now. With all clips downloaded, the next step is editing everything together into the final video. For editing, we're using CapCut. The link is in the description. Open CapCut and click Import. Bring in all the video clips you downloaded from Flow AI and arrange them one by one on the timeline. If any clip doesn't look right, go back to Flow AI and regenerate that specific one before continuing. Once your clips are in order, add transitions between them. Click the Transitions button and choose whatever fits the mood of your story. You can also apply one transition to all clips in a single click. For background music, go to YouTube Studio, download any no copyright track you like, and import it into CapCut on a separate audio track. Once everything looks good, hit Export and save the final video to your device. And that's the complete process, from a single prompt to a fully edited AI story video, ready to upload. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.